When I tell you this man loves the rain, oh my God. Like, he loves the rain. He loves going out. This is where he probably feels most at at home, I guess you could say. Out in the rain. Come. Good boy. And you see, he's not pulling. We walk together. He doesn't rip me down the block. The way it's supposed to be. If you do this from the time they're very young, and if you're more stubborn than they are, you'll win. If you're not more stubborn than they are, they'll win. It's that simple. You have no idea what I'm capable of. And no, the city life doesn't bother him at all. If anything, the city life here is bothered by him sometimes. Shake it, boy, shake it. But he loves it.